landing gear. A strengthened portion of the wing has attachments for the main landing gear, which is tucked inside the wing and body during flight. A hydraulic retraction actuator is attached to the main landing gear strut in such a way to rotate the gear into position for landing. Fairing doors pivot with the rotating action. When the landing gear is fully deployed, a hinged side brace and locking stay with its own actuator keep landing gear locked firmly in place. These components unlock and fold with the landing gear for stowing. The nitrogen and oil-filled struts also act as shock absorbers during landing, with an attached hydraulic shimmy damper to reduce shimmy or shaking that occurs while under extreme landing forces. There's a heavy-duty carbon brake stack in each wheel. Rotors match with keys on the inside of the wheel so they rotate together. Stators are keyed to the axle and are stationary. During braking, electrically driven pistons compress the stack, and the resulting friction slows the plane down. The nose landing gear has slightly smaller tires and brakes than the main landing gear and operates in a similar way with the addition of a rack and pinion steering system.